In question number 4, we have to solve the equation 3 cot x minus 4 cot 2x equals to 3. We know that cot is 1 upon tan, so we can write it as 3 upon tan x minus 4 upon tan of 2x equals to 3. Now for tan of 2x, we can use the identity that's given in the formula sheet. So we can write it as 4 upon, and for tan 2x, it is 2 tan a upon 1, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square. So we can write it as so this will be 2 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So this formula is given in the formula sheet equals to 3. So 1 minus tan square x will come up in the numerator, and we can write it as 3 upon tan minus 4 into 1 minus tan square divided by 2 tan equals to 3. Taking the LCM first, so the LCM will be 2 tan. We will get over here. So this will become multiply by 2. This will multiply by 2. We'll get 6 minus 4 plus 4 tan squared is equals to 3. Multiplying 2 tan on the left hand side, we'll get 2 plus 4 tan squared, and that will be is equals to 6 tan. Now bringing the 6 tan on the left hand side, we'll get 4 tan square minus 6 tan plus 2 equals to 0. We can divide the equation by 2 to simplify and write it as 2 tan square minus 3 tan plus 1 equals to 0. Now solving this equation quadratically, we can apply middle term breaking maybe in this case. So let's see if we can do it. 2 tan square minus 2 tan minus tan plus 1 will be equal to 0. So yes, we can use middle term breaking. We'll get 2 tan common. So tan minus 1 minus taking 1 common, we'll get 10 minus 1 equals to 0. So once we have solved this, we'll get 2 tan minus 1 into tan minus 1 equals to 0. So tan x would be equals to 1 and tan x would be equals to 1 upon 2. Now, what we have to be careful about is this range over here, or the domain of x. So that is always between 0 to 180. So tan is positive in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. But as we only have the domain from 0 to 180, so all of these ratios are positive in the first quadrant. So taking tan inverse of 1, that is equals to 45. So we'll just make 45 in the first quadrant, and that would be it, as the other answer would be more than 180 if we measure it anti-clockwise from the x-axis. And the second answer would be taking tan inverse of 0.5, and that answer would be 26.56. So x would be equals to tan inverse of 1 upon 2. And when we substitute that in the calculator, then that is 26.56. And to one decimal place, we'll give our answer as 26.6 degrees. And that will be the only two answers that we'll have for this question.